In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Facebook verification code not received. If you're trying to create a new account or you're trying to recover your Facebook account, then you'll definitely need a verification code which will be sent to you by Facebook. So if you're not receiving this code, there could be a few reasons to that. The first thing you need to make sure is that if your SIM card is working. Head over to the settings of your phone and tap on SIM card and mobile networks and make sure that the code you're trying to receive on the SIM is working perfectly okay. If it is not, then you now know what is causing the problem. If it is working properly, then you'll need to make sure if the permission is allowed for messages. To do that, again head over to the settings of your device and find an option of apps. If you don't find it, you can also search it on the search bar of your settings. And head over to permissions. Now under permissions manager, you can tap on SMS option and make sure that your default messaging application is set to allowed. If you use other third-party platforms other than your messaging, such like Messenger or WhatsApp to receive your messages, make sure you tick them to allowed also. Now the last thing you can do is you can simply wait for the problem to be solved. Normally these kind of problems are caused because there is some kind of problem in the system of Facebook, and after you wait a few hours and you try the process again, you should definitely be able to receive the verification code from Facebook.